Looking for the perfect folding bike in 2025? Whether it's for commuting, mountain trails, or just cruising around town, folding e-bikes combine portability with powerful performance. Today we're checking out the best folding bikes of 2025, featuring dual motors, fat tires, and long-range batteries. These bikes make your rides smoother, faster, and more fun, whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails. Let's dive into the top folding e-bikes of the year and see which one fits your riding style. First up is the Wallke H9 AWD, a 3,200-watt dual-motor electric bike that's built to handle anything you throw at it. This bike comes with a long-range 82 Ah or 60 Ah DAMSON battery, pushing speeds up to 34 miles per hour. With 20-inch fat tires and full suspension, the Wallke H9 handles mountain trails, road rides, and even hunting trips with ease. The folding design makes it portable, yet it feels stable and sturdy like a full-sized e-bike. During real-world tests, the dual-motor AWD gave me incredible traction on steep inclines and muddy terrain. The folding mechanism is easy to use, making it ideal for storage or taking on a vehicle. If you're looking for a powerful off-road capable folding bike, the Wallke H9 AWD is a top choice. Check the description below for the link. Next is the TT-EBIKE Dual, perfect for speed enthusiasts. With multiple motor options and speeds up to 42 miles per hour, this bike is one of the fastest folding e-bikes in 2025. It features 26-inch fat tires, full suspension, and a Shimano 7-speed gear system, so it can handle both mountain trails and smooth city rides. The large 60-volt or 52-volt battery ensures you can ride long distances without worrying about recharging. In real-world use, the TT-EBIKE Dual was a thrill to ride. The powerful motor allowed me to tackle steep hills effortlessly, and the full suspension kept the ride smooth on rough terrain. If speed and powerful performance are your priorities, the TT-EBIKE Dual is perfect for high adrenaline rides. Check the description below for the link. For those looking for long-range capability, the EUYBIKE 2,000-watt/3,000-watt peak motor folding e-bike is a great option. With hydraulic brakes, magnesium alloy frame, and 20 inches by 4.0-inch fat tires. It's designed for urban commuting and dirt trails alike. The 48-volt to 52-volt, 25 amp-hour or 30 amp-hour battery can reach distances of 100 to 120 miles, making it ideal for long rides. The full suspension ensures comfort even over rough terrain. In testing, I found the EUYBIKE exceptionally smooth and stable, with impressive acceleration and battery longevity. It's a solid pick for anyone who wants distance, durability, and a foldable design. If you want a long-range folding e-bike for commuting or adventures, the EUYBIKE 2,000-watt/3,000 watts is worth considering. Check the description below for the link. Next up, the DAMSON electric bike, a dual-motor e-bike with options for 2,000 watts or 1,000 watts motors and 48-volt batteries ranging from 20 amp-hours to 60 amp-hours. It has 26-inch fat tires, full suspension, and dual hydraulic brakes. The DAMSON delivers 32 to 30 miles per hour top speeds, making it ideal for off-road adventures and fast urban commuting. Its removable battery adds convenience for charging, and the folding frame makes it portable. In real-world use, the DAMSON impressed me with its powerful acceleration and stable handling on rough terrain. The dual hydraulic brakes provided excellent stopping power, giving a safe and controlled ride. For dual motor performance and a long-range foldable design, the DAMSON electric bike is a fantastic choice. Check the description below for the link. Finally, we have the Heybike Ranger S, a foldable commuter e-bike designed for everyday city rides. It features a 1,400-watt peak motor, 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires, and a 48-volt, 14.4 amp-hour removable battery. The 7-speed gearing and hydraulic fork suspension make it comfortable and adaptable to different terrains. The step-through design is perfect for commuters, making mounting and dismounting easier. It's compact, portable, and easy to store in tight spaces. In testing, the Heybike Ranger S was smooth, efficient, and convenient for daily use. The battery lasted long enough for multiple commutes, and the folding mechanism was straightforward. For a commuter-friendly, foldable e-bike with a reliable motor and good suspension, the Heybike Ranger S is an excellent choice. Check the description below for the link. No matter your style, there's a folding e-bike for everyone in 2025. Check the description below for links to all these bikes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which one you'd pick. I'm Nick, and this was your best folding bikes of 2025 guide. Ride safe and see you next time.